Hi guys! Today we are going to be spying on our sister, and she is 4 years old, and she is sleeping right now, and she is snoring. So it's going to be really funny. And I am also here with my friend Katie.
Hi!
And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification squad. So let's get on with the video.
Hit the subscribe button.
Okay. Here we go. You guys have to be quiet here. Okay, so we just spied on her, and she is snoring really loud, but since it's on camera, it's not working very well. So we are going to do something really fast. It'll be like 2 minutes, and I'm going to turn the camera upside down, and I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to resume it.
You want to go play with slime?
Okay. So now that we did that, we are going to go ask my mom if we can play with slime. Oops. Whoa, what way does it go? Sorry guys, my camera isn't working very well. Okay, I'll film another one. Bye.